to show you a really quick tutorial for sewing waistbands. It's called the ham hot method, and I saw it a little while ago and it's changed the way I sew my waistbands and cuffs, so I thought I'd share it with you. Traditionally what you do, obviously with a waistband, would be to fold the right sides together and then sew along the top, and that's great, it works perfectly well. But you'll find that, I'll show you on this neckband that I've just done, so you'd fold it, sew along the top, but then when you come to fold it then in half like that, you can end up with quite a bit of bulk there, which again is okay, but if you want to eliminate it, then this is the method for you. So ham hot method, I don't know why it's called that. If you do know, then please let me know. So you'd fold it like you would traditionally, right down the middle, right sides together, and then you fold it over again like a sandwich, okay, like that. And then take it to your sewing machine and just sew straight along it like you would normally. So like that, all right? And then you open it up. Ta-da! And you've got one waistband that's sewn together. And because you've only got the one seam, it's a lot less bulky. And also I find it just makes sewing the waistband on or the cuff a lot easier, because it's, rather than having, I don't tend to clip my stuff anyway, but because I've got that, it kind of acts, I suppose, as a permanent clip. Just keeps the bit of fabric folded. So yeah, there we are, ham hot method. I guess you can use it for waistbands, cuffs, neckbands, whatever you like. There we are. Hope you enjoyed this little tutorial this morning, and have a good day.